4, 3, 2, and let's go, no? Basic crunches tayo ngayon, guys, no? So this is a beginner workout, no? Abs workout, no? Para makapag-progress kayo sa inyong mga workouts. So, keep the, guys, no, contraction dito. Ramdamin nyo. So, 30 seconds na ganito. Do it as best as you can, no? Fire. So, ramdamin nyo. So, we got yeah. 30 seconds na rest doon. Then yung next natin na workout naman is what we call the the toe touches naman, no? So yun. So 30 seconds rest at yeah. So yan na. In 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Toe touches naman is done like this manner. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pwede siyang ganito, 6. Or pwede rin ganito, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pwede siyang sunod-sunod. Or as long as nararamdaman mo yung contraction sa inyo, habis mas maganda. So meron po tayong 8 seconds. And we're done. So our next naman is what we call the elbows to knees. So ito yung pwede nyo gawin kung hindi nyo pa kaya mag-bicycle, which is ganito yung bicycle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ganito siya. Ganito siya. So ito sa inyo in the last 10 seconds. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2, and 1. So ganito siya. Let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, nasaan ko 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. So yeah. Just touch your elbows to your knees, no? As feel the contraction on your abs, no? So yan. Sana panoorin nyo to, no? At pasensya na sa itsura natin at sa mga daam dito, no? Na talagang taglagis talaga. Yeah, so please do enjoy, no? Meron pa tayong mga susunod na abs workout, no? So yeah. Ito yung ating beginner workout. Let's go. So side plank bends naman ang gagawin natin, which is done by this manner, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So switch naman. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So yun, 30 seconds. Tapos ang pinakahuli natin gagawin is yung ating plank holds, no? Sa ating plank holds, no? So hold lang siya, no? Parang nandito yung workout ko na ginawa ko sa 5 minutes abs workout ko dati, no? Pero ito naman is beginner talaga, no? So hindi siya ganun kahirap, no? Pero sana may matutunan kayo, no? Kung nagsisimula pa lang kayo sa inyong mga abs workout. So in 5, 4, 3, and 2, and 1, no? Let's hold it for 30 seconds, guys. Feel the burn. And so last 20 seconds. Hold nyo lang. Yan, hold nyo lang siya. Last 10 seconds, guys, no? Three, 2, and 1. Woo! So kahit beginner siya, talagang nararamdaman mo siya sa abs mo, no? So kung nagustuhan nyo itong video ko na to, guys, no, may tutunan kayo, no, please leave a like, comment, share, mag-subscribe ka na rin sa YouTube channel ko ito. Don't forget to click the bell button down below para sa mga susunod kong YouTube videos ay updated. Kasama na kita, no? So this is a series, guys, no? there would be an beginner, intermediate, advanced, and expert level of abs workout, no? So papakita natin lahat yan dito sa channel ko, no? Para magkaroon kayo ng habis na ninanais nyo, no? So yun, kita-kita tayo sa susunod nating video, no? Let's aim to be 1% better every day. Peace out, guys. Kita-kita tayo sa susunod, intermediate abs workout naman. Let's go.